The epic and unforgettable love story that began in Binding 13 continues in Keeping 13, the highly anticipated follow-up by international best-selling author and TikTok phenomenon Chloe Walsh. Falling in love was only the beginning. Now comes the real test. Johnny Kavanagh's world has been upended since his injury sidelined him from the sport he loves. Stripped of the number 13 jersey that defined him, he feels lost. But one girl has captured his heart and now occupies his every thought. Shannon Lynch has always been a keeper of secrets, but recent events have shown her that danger isn't only found in stories, it's real. After a harrowing trip to Dublin, she's determined to protect her younger brothers at all costs, retreating into the shadows to preserve the fragile pieces of her life. Yet there's only one person who can pull Shannon back from the darkness, the boy who owns her heart. But as secrets come to light, their love is put to the ultimate test. Will Johnny and Shannon's bond survive? Or will the revelations tear them apart forever? Keeping 13 is a thrilling continuation of the Boys of Tommen universe, perfect for fans of new adult and YA romance, dual POV storytelling, friends-to-lovers narratives, and the viral TikTok sensation series. With high-stakes romance, emotional depth, and unforgettable characters, this audiobook will keep you hooked from start to finish.